Let's go. How many books? One book. And now 3 books. And now 5 books. In English, everything is understandable. One object, don't use s at the end. Many objects, add s. It's a little bit more difficult in Russian. Well, okay, it's very difficult, and I'm happy that Russian is my native language and I'll never have to learn this. Your brain will explode now. Sorry. At first, shortly about genitive case. Muscular. If the last letter is consonant, add a at the end. Кот, кота. If the last is soft sign, replace it with я. Конь, коня. Feminine. If the last letter is a, replace it with и or и. Собака, собаки. Сестра, сестры. If the last is soft sign, replace it with и. Ночь, ночи. Plural. If in singular in nominative case the last letter is consonant, we add ов. Кот, котов. If in singular in nominative case the last letter is soft sign, we replace it with ей. Конь, коней. If in singular in nominative case the last letter is a, we just delete a. Собака, собак. Okay, and now about numbers.
Oh, by the way, if you are looking for more than just a language teacher, check out the link below, claim your 30% discount, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Rule number 1. When we have only one object, use singular in nominative case. Один кот, одна собака. Rule number 2. When we have 2, 3 or 4 objects, use singular in genitive case. Два кота, 3 собаки. And rule number 3. When we have 5 and more objects, use plural in genitive case. 5 котов, 8 собак. Do you think that's all? No, just a little bit more. We have several buts. But number 1. When we talk about 2-digit or 3-digit numbers, or even if a number has 100 digits, we must work with exactly the last digit which we pronounce. That means, when we have 44 objects, we must use rule number 2, not rule number 3. 44 кота, not 44 котов. 44 собаки, not 44 собак. You see that the last digit is 4, so use the rule about number 4. Some more examples. 31 кот, not 31 котов. 51 собака, not 51 собак. The last digit is 1, so use the rule about number 1. But number 2. For the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, we don't pay attention to the last digit, but follow the rule number 3. That's because we don't pronounce the word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, which means that the rule for digits more than 5 works here. 11 котов, 17 собак. But number 3. When we have 0 objects or the last digit is 0, we also use rule number 3. 0 собак, 10 собак, 0 котов, 30 котов. Whew! It was hard, wasn't it? But I know you have managed to understand this. And now let's watch the video where we are going to use different quantities of objects in a real dialogue. Listen attentively.
Вань, принеси 5 картошек. Ваня, дай еще 2 картошки. Ваня, 1 картошка не нужна, отнеси ее. Ваня, возьми в холодильнике 1 помидор.
Я работаю.
Нет, 2 помидора. Ну как?
Очень вкусно.
Отлично. Я пойду к малышу.
Добрый день. Мне нужна 1 пицца, 3 чизбургера. Нет, 5 чизбургеров и 1 кола. Спасибо.